Hi, I'm Dino from Shark Industries located here in Rockford, Minnesota. I'm here to share with you 3 great brake products to make your days go smoother. First up, we're talking about to prevent brake noise. Many brake repair centers have issues with the brake pads not seating properly, which will cause brake squealing. Often, the unhappy customer returns complaining about the squealing, and so the shop then has to replace the brake pads, sand the surface of the rotors, and now the residue that created the squealing is gone because of the sanding. A new rotor should be thoroughly cleaned with brake soap to remove all the petroleum residue that naturally comes from manufacturing process. You can use brake clean, which leaves the residue, or a detergent, but they also can leave a petroleum residue and gets on the pads, which creates glazing. The glazing then creates the brake squeal. Our product is called brake soap. It's a non-petroleum based soap that removes oil residue and petroleum to prevent your brake jobs from glazing and squealing.